A deeply disturbing case has come to light from Gurugram's Medanta Hospital, one of India's leading private medical institutions. A 46-year-old air hostess is alleged that she was sexually assaulted while on a ventilator in the ICU. According to her complaint, the incident took place on April 6th, just a day after she was admitted to the hospital. The woman, who had traveled from West Bengal to Gurugram for a training program, fell ill after taking a swim at a hotel pool and was rushed to Medanta. She was soon placed on ventilator support due to her deteriorating health. But while she was unconscious and physically helpless, she alleges that a hospital staffer sexually assaulted her, and shockingly, two nurses who were present in the ICU room failed to intervene. After being discharged on April 13, the air hostess shared the horrifying ordeal with her husband, who then helped her file a complaint at the Sadar police station. A case has been registered under relevant sections of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. The woman's statement has been recorded before a magistrate, and the police are reviewing CCTV footage from the hospital to identify the accused. A police spokesperson said an investigation was underway and the accused would be nabbed soon.
इसमें एक महिला के द्वारा 14 अप्रैल 2025 को गुरुग्राम पुलिस को सदर पुलिस स्टेशन में शिकायत उनके द्वारा दी गई है और उनके द्वारा एक एलिगेशन लगाए गए हैं कि वो 5 तारीख को एक निजी अस्पताल में दाखिल हुई थी और इलाज के दौरान 6 तारीख को उसके साथ किसी व्यक्ति के द्वारा यौन उत्पीड़न किया गया है। कंप्लेनेंट के द्वारा बताया गया है कि वह वेंटिलेटर पर थी घटना के समय में और उस घटना के समय में वो बेहोशी की हालत में थी और उसके अलावा 2 जो स्टाफ नर्स थी वो उसके आसपास किसी काम को लेकर के आपस में बातचीत कर रही थी। तो फिलहाल जो विक्टिम है उसके द्वारा बताया गया कि वो अनकॉन्शियस थी और पुलिस के द्वारा जो अस्पताल के आसपास के एरिया की सीसीटीवी फुटेज है घटनास्थल से आसपास की वो पुलिस के द्वारा प्रॉपर तरीके से चेक की जा रही है और केस की इन्वेस्टिगेशन की जा रही है और जैसे जैसे सबूत केस में आएंगे उसके अकॉर्डिंग पुलिस एक्ट करेगी।
In a statement, Dr. Sanjay Durrani, medical superintendent at Medanta, said, "We have been made aware of a complaint from a patient and have been fully cooperating with the investigations conducted by the relevant authorities. At this stage, no allegations have been substantiated and all relevant documents, including CCTV footage from the hospital for the time period in question, have been handed over to the police. We remain committed to supporting the process of investigation."